A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Me have a hard one for it today again. No for we, me know. No one do what the government say we for do. But if a God put the government in place, what you think we're supposed to do? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now is a good time. If you click the subscribe button and the notification bell, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here, so. Today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Roman them, chapter 13, from verse 1 to verse 14. Everybody must do what the government say, because nobody can rule if God never give them the power to rule. So the people them will rule over uno, and God put them there. So then, the people will not do what the government say them to do. I go them really go against the people where God picked for rule. And the people them will do that, I just bring down judgment upon themselves. The people will do it right. Them not afraid of the people where rule over them. I just the people them where do wrong for afraid. So if uno no want afraid of the people where rule over uno, just do it right. And when uno do that, them will big uno up. Because the people were in a power, them are God's servant, and them did it for uno good. But you see, if uno do wrong, uno for afraid. Because God never gave them the power for nothing. The people were in a power, are God's servant. And him use them for judge and punish the people where do wrong. So then, uno for do what the people where rule over uno say uno for do. Uno for do them, not just cause God will punish uno if uno not do it, but cause deep down in uno heart, uno know say that uno for do. That make uno pay tax to. Cause the people where rule over uno, when them do what them supposed to do, I work for God. Uno must pay people when you owe them. If uno have tax for pay the whole of them. If people forget respect them. And if I big them forget big up, then big them up. Not owe nobody nothing. Pay people when you owe them. The only thing uno fi owe people are love, because anybody will love them neighbor like how them love themselves, them a do everything where the law say. The law them, no sleep with nobody where you not married to, no kill, no thief, no ready eye offer people things, all of them there, and the rest of law them. You could have put them together and make one law where say, love your neighbor like how you love yourself. If you love somebody, you're not going to do nothing bad to them. So then, when you love people, you really are do all what the law say. That I want you must do, because you know the time we are living in. You know say a time now, we wake up and tap sleep, because we're closer now to the day when God will save we than when we did first start believe in a Christ Jesus. with time pan the earth are soon done. It coming like when night are done and day are light. So make we tap to the wicked sitting them, where people do in a dark, and instead of that, take up the weapon them where we use for fight in the daytime. So make we live how we know if we live. Make we live like people we're in the light, not like people we're in the dark. We don't fit take part in a wild sex party, and we don't fit drink till we're drunk. We don't fear sleep round, or take part in a no kind of sex sin. Uno no feel love fight, and uno no feel ready for other people things. Instead of all of that, uno feel make Jesus Christ rule over uno, and think about the wicked sitting them where nobody want to do, and how uno can get them sitting there. And God wrote this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.